Prime Minister Narendra Modi will inaugurate and lay the foundation stone of various infrastructural and development projects in Ekta Nagar this evening. Union Commerce and Industry Minister Piyush Goyal will be participating in the 8th edition of the Future Investment Initiative in Riyadh. Union Home Secretary Govind Mohan today said that National Disaster Response Force has successfully led over 900 rescue operations in the last 1 year and saved more than 3,000 people. The Reserve Bank of India published its 43rd half-yearly report from April to September 2024 on management of foreign exchange reserves. In cricket, Indian all-rounder Deepti Sharma has attained a career-best number 2 spot in the Women's ODI Bowlers rankings in the latest update released by the International Cricket Council.